This guide provides instructions on how to import accessories by file in TCG PowerTools. Click on Listing and Appraisal button to initiate the import process. Click on Add Accessories. Click Import a file to add items from a CSV or Excel file. After you upload your file to PowerTools, make sure each column has the correct identifier. Not all identifiers in your file are necessary for the upload to function properly. Let's talk about different legal inputs. The first option is to use the card market ID. The other option is to use name of the item and expansion. After ensuring that each column is properly identified, add your cards to the list by clicking on the Import Your Data button. In case there are accessories that were not successfully imported, you have the option to obtain the CSV file containing the errors, enabling you to identify the specific issue. Once you've listed all the accessories you want, select them all and publish them to Card Market. This guide covered the steps required to import accessories by file in TCG PowerTools.